Manipur Governor Anusuiya Uikey has officially summoned the 6 sessions of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly to convene on July 31st. This announcement was made in a notification issued by the K. Megajit Singh, Secretary of the Manipur Legislative Assembly. In accordance with a clause 1 of the Article 174 of the Constitutions of India, the Manipur Governor has called the session to meet at 11 a.m. in the Parliament Hall, Manipur, Imphal. These decisions aligns with the recommendations made by the Manipur Cabinet led by the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who decided on Friday to convene the assembly sessions on a specified date. The upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly sessions follows a boycott by the 10 Kuki Jo legislative during the last assembly sessions. These legislatures are demanding the creation of a separate administrations carved out from the state of Manipur. The assembly session is expected to address various pressing issues, including those raised by the boycotting legislature and other critical legislative business. The numbers of the sittings for the sessions will be determined by the Business Advisory Committee of the Manipur Legislative Assembly. The violence which erupted between the Meiteis and the Kuki Jomi communities in May last year following a tribal solidarity march in the hill districts protesting the Meitei community's call for the settled tribe status has resulted in at least 220 fatalities, 1,500 injuries and a displacement of around 60,000 people.